Hi guys, today I'm showing you how to install any browser onto your Android TV. First, you will need to install and download Manager. Make sure to get this one since I had to censor all the logos because I don't want to take my channel down. Okay, accept all the stuff now. Go to the browser mode. Now it should have told you to accept browser plugin. Make sure to accept it. I'm downloading Chrome. Also make sure your APKs are from 𝗵𝗂𝗃 or 𝗵𝗂𝗃, those are the best safe APK websites. Since I have nothing to say, here's footage of me installing Chrome. Okay, now it should automatically click install. Now click install again. Open your newly installed browser and use it like you want to. If your browser icon is not on the desktop, download Sideload Launcher from the Play Store. Bye, have a great time.